is your DedSec initiation, Retro. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to bypass Bloom security doors and get inside. Then find and erase your personal CTOS profile.
Whatever they have on me, it's all bullshit. And I'm sick of getting harassed for it.
All the more reason for a purge. We'll be watching.
Try to keep up.
Yeah, better go see Siri.
Go and train with her, then come back. It'll give me a chance to put my face on.
Of all the women I've known, you're the only one who does that before.
You've known many.
What's it matter? Only ever thought of you.
I'd be afraid by now. Alright, Geralt, come on! Come on! At them! What the blazes are you doing? Stop showing off, Geralt.
Men da du burde bekymre deg for det finnes ikke der ute. Du har ikke vært der så lenge, har du? Vet du hva dette anlegget gjør? Hva det produserer?
Jeg trenger ikke bry meg om slike detaljer. Jeg trenger å vite om det er flere soldater der ute.
Altså, du vet ikke, eller du vil ikke vite.
Dieses arschkalte Land zu kommen.
Fiender forut.
Hey, untersuch das!
Greit. Greit.
Was zur Hölle war's denn jetzt? Da ist nichts! Was ist das da drüben auf dem Boden? Na los! Sie sind hier, verdammt! Bleib nicht meine Hand!
Powerbomb. The big dog's unleashed. Stringing together some big moves here. He's hurting now. If he doesn't get out of that corner, he's going to be hurting even worse. Over and over and over. Battering clotheslines. Got the up. Oh my goodness, crushing it. He's in control. Oh, and a backbreaker. Right to the spine. Here it comes. He's got him. Spear! There's the pin. Can his opponent kick out? 1, 2, 3. And Roman Reigns is your winner.
Good evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. There has been a clamour to get inside the ground tonight for a much anticipated game. The roads outside of the stadium have been bumper to bumper with traffic. The car parks are full. There is a torrent of humankind making its way from the nearby station, and we expect every seat to be filled. An atmosphere of great expectation and excitement. The ultra-modern home of Arsenal, a symbol of their class, their timeless...
Which will do no harm to the energy levels and the overall conviction, and hopefully the style of contest.
So far. Can't get the better of his opposite number. He's had a shot! Goal! Manchester United! The breakthrough strike! And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, I think two keepers would have had a hard time keeping that one out, never mind one. There was real venom in the strike and clear composure from the placement.
Ronaldo set up one goal so far. He spotted the run and played him through. Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo! He scores! And surely now the result beyond doubt.
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. They really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled.
That's right, bitches!
I think I can start the turbines from here.
So what?
The turbines will act like a giant blender.
Do it! Now!
I'm on it.
Break! Forward! Reloaded! Tengo que salir de aquí. Mierda. Tengo que salir de aquí. ¡Listo para mí! Oh, damn!